Ugandan Chicken Katogo recipe. Today, I'm here to show you how to prepare Matooke Irish potatoes plus chicken. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. Please, I'm going to request you like this video. After liking it, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily recipes and also turn on the notification bell. So we are going to need Matooke. We are going to need Irish potatoes, we are going to need onions, we are going to need tomatoes, we are going to need fresh coriander, we are going to need turmeric, we are going to need paprika, we are going to need Reiko, cooking oil, spring onions. Remember, this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. So we are going to get our chicken or the enkoko, then you apply it in the bowl. Then after apply salt, kwatotekemu omunyo. After applying salt, we are seasoning. You season the chicken. If you have also black pepper, apply some black pepper. Then after, mix it a little bit. Make sure that it is well mixed. Then apply turmeric. Kwatotekemu echinzali echiganda. Apply turmeric. Then after applying turmeric, make sure that the turmeric is well coated. Then apply Reiko. Kwatotekemu curry coco, also is a chicken or beef, anything or two in one. Apply Reiko. Then after applying Reiko, please, I'm going to request you like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for daily recipes. Ngenda kusaba eno video gilaikinge, omaizo gilaikinga wanga oli mupya kwato subscribing so kubanga ofuna recipes za buli kanako. So apply more Reiko if you see that the chicken is not yet colorful. Then apply paprika. You apply paprika or add paprika, kwatotekemu paprika. We apply paprika for color, tusamu paprika for color. Then after you coat, you mix very well. Okwatotabule, ofokwa that ebirungo bikwatako bulungi. Then finish off with cooking oil. Kwata omalirize ne butto. So finish off with the cooking oil because we are marinating. So leave it to marinate for like 10 to 15 minutes. Enkoko eno soko gireke ebbali, ebirungo bino bisoke bigiyingiremu okumala eddakiika zo 10 oba 15. Apply your matooke or yellow bananas in the saucepan. Kwatotekemu amatooke go mu seppiki. Apply Irish potatoes. Kwatotekemu obummonde bw'obuzungu. Apply Irish potatoes. Then apply water. Kwatotekemu amazzi go. Foka that amazzi gano gakavalinze obummonde. Make sure that the water has covered the matooke and the Irish potatoes. Then you are going to half boil it. You are going to half boil the matooke and Irish potatoes. You are going to half boil. Kwata amatooke go okakwata ogatokoseeko katono. Then in another saucepan, museppiki endala, apply cooking oil. Kwatotekemu butto. In another saucepan, apply cooking oil. Kwatotekemu butto. After applying cooking oil, we are going to shred the onions. After applying cooking oil, we are going to shred the onions. Kwata otekemu obutungulu at this point. Butto bwajja tekamu obutungulu. So apply onions and half cook the onions. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. Please like this video. Kwato liking video eno. Obanga oli mupya, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Kwato subscribing ku YouTube channel. Then after, you're going to apply tomatoes. After apply tomatoes, kwatotekemu ennyanya. After applying tomatoes, sprinkle with some salt. Kwata omamirireko omunnyo omutonotono. Enyazi tusobole okugonda amangu. So that the tomatoes can become very soft. So that the tomatoes can quicken in the process of softening. We are doing chicken katogo. Tulikola akatogo k'enkoko. We are doing chicken katogo. Remember, this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. Then after, make sure that the tomatoes are soft. Make sure that the tomatoes have become soft. Then you are going to apply your marinated chicken. Tugenda kwatekemu enkoko yaffe gye twataddemu ebirungo, if you remember. So if you are using local chicken, you can first half boil it. Bw'oba okozesa nkoko nganda, kwata osooka ogitokoseko mu mazzi agalimu omunnyo n'akatangawuzi olyoka ogiteeke muno. If you are using broiler chicken, okozesa eno enkoko enzungu, gimarinating omarinatinze mu birungo nga bwe tukoze, then olyoka ogiteeke mu birungo byo bino. After apply tomato paste, Kwato same tomato paste. Tomato paste will help you to thicken. It is a thickening agent. So tomato paste yona agenda kuyamba kukwasa. Agenda kuyamba kukwasa supu wo aberenga mukwafu buchiki, aberenga mukwafu bulungi. Omaliza oddemu otabule. After you mix a little bit, then apply more turmeric. If you see that it was not enough, apply more little turmeric. Kwato sinemu echinzali echiganda. Kwato sinemu echinzali echiganda. Then oddemu era otabule. Remember Super Kitchen, we are located Kawempe Chiroko Letula Road. If you also the Reiko was not enough, you also apply in more Reiko. Super Kitchen School, we are located Kawempe Chiroko Letula Road. To training, we train cooker, bakery, barista, and pastries in short courses, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Advanced certificate is 2 years. Yeah, we are fully registered in ministry and with 100% practical hands-on. Then apply green pepper and carrot. Kwato tekemu carrot nechikamulali echa green. Nechikamulali. Then apply spring onions. Kwato tekemu obutungulu obwebikoola. Kwato tekemu obutungulu obwebikoola eroddemu otabule. You mix again. We are doing chicken katogo. Super Kitchen School to located Kayampe Choko Tula Road. So kwato tekemu na amazi. Then after applying water, we are going to just leave it to half boil a little bit. Bwomaliza otekamu amazi tugenda kaleka kasunkeka tugenda leka amatoke enkoko yaffe nesoka half boiling eko. Remember, already our matooke is half boiling. Jukira already amatoke gaffe gali half boiling ako. Yene ensonga lwaki you have to do this. If you put salt at the first, bw'otekamu omunnyo wano mu ntandikwa, your matooke will become hard. Amatooke gajja kukwata gakalube. That's why you have to first make sure that the matooke is half cooked and the matooke is half soft. That's the moment when you are going to apply the chicken which has salt. Olina okusooka omanya nti n'amatooke kugagonze. Then oyokoyiwemu bino ebirungo byaffe ebirimu omunyo, because mbona iwamu ebirungo bino nga birimu omunyo nga matooke tegannagonda, matooke gagenda kuba gakaluba. Super Kitchen School to located Kayampe Chiroko Etula Road to training cooker, bakery, barista and pastries. So kwato jemu amazi, remove all the water after apply your chicken mixture. Kwato jemu amazi gonna, then bw'omaliriza oseemu mixture yo ey'enkoko ebirungo by'enkoko bye wasiise. Then after, if water is little, apply in more water or more stock, the one which you removed from the matooke. Amazzi gati gamala kwato oyongeremu gali amazzi ge wajje mu matooke. Then after reduce the heat, kwato okendeeze omuliro. Then after you boil until ready. Super Kitchen School tuli located Kayampe Choko Etula Road to training cooker, bakery, barista and pastries mu short courses ayagala osomako ebbanga ettono mwezi gumu emyezi esatu tulinamu advance certificate ya myaka 2 tuli registered ne ministry jangu tujoining abave wala tulina accommodation mwebanga tebiri thick mulungi you mix reiko and turmeric. If it's not thick, you mix reiko plus turmeric, you apply in some little water. If your katogo is not thick, yes, you mix reiko and tomato paste. Yes, you mix reiko and tomato paste. Weba tebiri thick bulungi, kwato mixingemu reiko ne tomato paste mu mazzi, then omalirize oteekemu wano. Tubadde tukola akatogo k'enkoko. We are doing katogo for chicken. This is the best Ugandan breakfast. Then after, finish off with some fresh coriander. Kwato same koti miru. Katogo is served on breakfast in Uganda. Akatogo tukasavinga kuchencha. Katogo tukasavinga kuchencha. So you can try it out. So we are going to slice some avocado. Tugenda kwata to slicing ka avocado kaffe. You can even serve with greens if you love greens. You can serve with steamed greens. You can serve with buttered greens. So we have served with avocado. After applying avocado, we are going to start serving our katogo. Just look at this. Just look at this. Remember, the way you see it is the way you can do it, from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. So you can also try it out. Trust me, you are not going to regret. But remember, after putting the ingredients, the chicken mixture, reduce the heat and boil this katogo for like 20 to 30 minutes or to 40 minutes on low heat. And remember, don't forget that the katogo needs soup. And the katogo needs to be thick. So you have to monitor all that. Olina okufuuka that akatogo ko kakwafu bulungi. Olina okufuuka that akatogo ko kali mu supu. Akola ki? Amala nze Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. I sign out. Ngenda kusaba ng'oli mupya subscribinga ku YouTube channel yange nakadde katandingeko on osobola okuba ng'ofuna recipe ya buli kanaku. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel for daily recipes. Remember, on YouTube, I release recipes from Monday to Friday every midday. So don't forget to subscribe for daily recipes and don't forget to like and share. See you.